What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris General 4 1000. Now these kits, they come in 3 different stages. That way you can find something that best fits your personal preferences and your budget. Now each stage, they're going to come with some of the best selling accessories for these machines to help your new machine stand out and look good. You're also going to be getting some added protection and comfort when you buy one of these kits. Now when you buy one of these kits, you're also going to be saving some money. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. To start out, we're going to be looking at the Stage 1 upgrade kit. Now this is the most basic and affordable option, but it comes with the essential accessories. So what comes in the kit is number 1, you have the removable half windshield. This thing's really easy to install and take off. It's scratch resistant. It's going to give you protection in the front and deflect some of the wind, but still allow some airflow into the cab to keep you cool. Next up, we have the alloy UTV mirror kit with A-pillar mounts. Now you've got to be able to see what's behind you. These things are super durable. They mount up to the A-pillar, so that puts them in a good spot. You don't have a big bulky clamp around the roll cage. That way it doesn't get in the way of your half windshield. The last item in the kit is the profile aluminum roof. Now this is a staple item for any side-by-side. It's going to provide you with some shade and give you some protection from the weather and elements. Now with this, just like the name says, it is a profile aluminum roof, so it's not going to add any height to your machine. Moving on to Stage 2, this is an upgrade over the Stage 1 kit, and it is going to be keeping the profile aluminum roof, but there are some things that get upgraded to give you more comfort and protection. So number 1, you're going to be getting a removable full windshield. So this is going to give you full coverage in the front, block some of that wind and debris, but if you ever have a hot day, you can simply remove this out of the way, and that way you get maximum airflow into the cab. Next up is the pivot folding mirrors. They keep the A-pillar mounts, but if you ever hit something with these, they pop out of the way and you can simply fold them right back out. These are super durable, and if you ever need to pull into a tight trailer, you can simply fold these in to get that extra clearance. The last item in the kit is the polycarb rear window. Now this helps enclose the cab and protect you and your passengers from the elements, and just like the windshield, this is going to be scratch resistant, so it's going to stay looking good for a long time. Moving on to Stage 3, this is the premium option from Tusk. You're going to be keeping the pivot folding mirrors, the profile aluminum roof, and the polycarb rear window from Stage 2. But the things that get upgraded or added are number 1, you're getting the folding glass windshield. This is made out of super durable laminated safety auto glass, so it's going to stay looking good for a long time. You're going to get the full coverage in the front. But if you ever have a super hot day and you want to get maximum airflow into the cab, you can simply fold the windshield down. But on other days when maybe it's not so hot and you just want to get some airflow into the cab, you can simply open up the vents and you have a windshield wiper on top to clear it off. The last addition is the cargo rack. This is made from powder coated steel. It's super durable. You're going to get some added cargo space, and you have plenty of tie down points to help secure your items. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris General 4 1000. If you have any questions about these kits, leave those down in the comments below. We have detailed how-to videos to guide you step-by-step through the install process. And if you haven't picked one of these kits up yet, you can find them on our website. All the kits qualify for free shipping. And again, this is one of the easiest ways to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your brand new machine and save some money at the same time. So again, if you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.